All the detail looks better. So exciting. The messy room fit check. Oh, this dot will haunt me for the rest of my life. So now we're marking our territory. It was so crazy. We don't even start until like what, like a month? Well, technically we're starting.
I'm keeping it. We're started.
We started already. So we
But
have.
it's thesis.
So we have all of our names here. Oh, this is like almost like day one.
This is where I'm gonna be working. Once it's cleaned up, this is
This is where we'll be working.
We got last
Pick last
not
time.
our first pick.
No, yeah. Oh. So exciting. Oh, you're getting flowers.
Yeah.
That's
I was
nice.
giving myself a little flower. And a heart.
Love.
Her.
Cherry Hill Mall.
Cherry Hill Mall.
This is what happiness looks like.
I told her.
Maybe the fan will be a problem. So now I'll be working on drawing number 1 for the project, for the assignment. I have a rough idea and how it went well when I talked to her about it, like in the class. You were so nervous. No one knew when we were gonna present. It was more just like, it was like, may the odds be ever in your favor. So the only thing, I'll be working this weekend. So I have a few less days to work on it. So hopefully it goes well. I still don't know like what. I have a rough idea of what the aesthetic might be. And also she pitched an idea for this drawing, but I was like, I feel like I might use it for the next one because I don't know, idea preservation. So let's see how it works out. I'm probably gonna watch Alice in Wonderland movie. So after importing all of the landscape materials, which, ooh, so much more nicer. This is so much more faster than a review read. So this is how it looks right now. And this was the drawing that I had with just the material. But now I'm thinking, especially for the concrete, what if I drew more into each one? Like versus a flat surface. Like what if like there's more, not textural. Hold up. I need to explain myself. Versus it being just like a cube of concrete on a planet. Maybe for the metal one, maybe for the concrete one, there's like wires coming out. Like it's more, yeah, maybe it's going to be easier to show. I still don't know if I like 4x6 by having like more of a rectangular one. This one I feel like it feels heavier.
Obviously, because like there's so much more.
The detail gets lost because you're just seeing this in other squares. I don't know what the exclamation marks are. I like it further away so you can see everything. But once you zoom in, all the detail looks better.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Also at nighttime, you can tell like the concrete looks weirder, but the lights actually show. It'd be so rough. Oh my god, so is my voice still. I actually don't even know why it's like this. Why? The whole time, wait, pause. I wish my desk faced the other way, because here, this is the lighting. Better lighting, but my desk is already this way, so. I have a lamp, but it's not plugged in. I'll plug it in later. There's no outlet right now.
Whenever there's Eurovision music, the buffet is open.
Voice update, it's getting better, but I still have to present. But now we're out to get food. Sushi burrito, first time. And also I have a whole fucking charcuterie board. Because I'm hungry. Although I got a free charcuterie board.
Oh, and I have a full charcuterie board. I love that.
We all presented and it went well. I think it went well.
I think it went well.
Although I couldn't speak.
What's going on?
I'm sick.
So sick.
After class,
Like what?